We'll guide you through how to fix sign out not available due to restrictions on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So for whatever reason you're trying to go and sign out of your Apple ID account, perhaps you're giving your phone away or there's another reason why you want to do this. So if we go and open up the settings on our iPhone like so, then we come to the top and you'll see your current Apple ID account here, tap on it. Then if we go and scroll down, you can go and see the option for sign out. But it says sign out is not available due to restrictions. So let's go about fixing this, as it's really annoying as we're then stuck with this Apple ID account on the phone. So what you need to do is come back to your main settings like so. So this is due to a restriction. So in order to go and remove these restrictions, it's much easier than you probably think. What you need to do is go and scroll down and go and find the option for screen time, and you can tap there. So screen time is basically a way to go and put limitations and restrictions on iPhone. So you can go through here, but what we're looking for is the option right at the bottom. So come all the way down and you need to go and find change screen time passcode, and you can go and tap there. So to go and allow us to go and sign out of the Apple ID, we need to go and turn off the screen time passcode. So go and press that there. Now you need to go and enter in your screen time passcode. If you've forgotten it, you can press forgot passcode and go through the reset process. I haven't though. And if you don't know this, you have to get the person who set it up to go and enter it. So in this case, I know it, so I can go and enter it in and just go and wait. And now it says lock screen time settings. Now, if we come back and we can scroll to the top again, you can then tap on your Apple ID account, scroll down, and the option should now be available. If it's not, you may need to go and restart your settings by swiping up on it like so, close it, and then open it again. And you can come back, scroll down, and now sign out should be available. So we can go and tap on it. We don't want to go and erase this iPhone. I'll press sign out but don't erase. We'll then press continue, and I'll go and press continue anyway. And then I'll confirm this here, and we can then enter in our password.